Hello, it's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery, author of Diamonds in the Sky. And I made a video a while ago about insanity and the definition of insanity, which was doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. And basically the gist of that was, for those of you coming to somebody like me or whoever and saying, I need help, I want to get this result, I'm not getting it, or worse, it's like, Becca, I've been doing this job, but my nose is barely above water. Something's got to change. Like, I have to start making money at this sooner. I need to quit. Like, I can't keep going like this. But then you follow that up and say, that sounds great. I know your program works. I've been following it for 2.5 years now. I see all the results coming through, those big supplements. I see people who recruit 30 salesmen in a year following your system. I see people who are like, I literally doubled my closing ratio from 40% to 80% following this script. It's so easy. I can't believe I hadn't done this before. I see that and I can't wait to buy your program. Just as soon as I have the money, I'm going to buy it. Am I taking crazy pills? Guys, what that sentence means is I can't afford it. And I get it. Some of you really are in a tight spot. I know. I talk to you guys every day. And by the way, I've been there. I started like this too. I was like, I'm living out of a Rubbermaid. I've been sold this crazy pipe dream about roof sales that I don't even know if it's true or not yet. And I've moved across the country and I haven't seen any money yet. It's been 6 weeks. Holy shit. But if you come to me and you say, I can't afford it, what that means is whatever you've been doing up to this point has not been working. Because whatever it is you've been doing up to today has gotten you to the point where you can't afford it. And if that's the case, and you have gotten all the way to the point where you've watched my stuff, or somebody else, whoever it is that you're talking to, okay, and you say, I know that this is what I need, but I can't afford it, you can't afford not to. What's going to change? Okay, what's going to change today if you recognize that you're not where you want to be doing what you've been doing? You have to do something different, okay? There's no way around it. Make an investment in yourself, all right? You've got to. There's no other option. If not, quit. Go do something else if you're not willing to make the investment, all right? You know, the interesting thing is so many people are sold this dream that college is your golden ticket. You got to have an education. So go $80,000 in debt and you're going to be taken care of. You'll get a nice job somewhere. You'll clock in and clock out for 40 years until you retire, and then you die with pennies in your 401k, all right? That's kind of what we're sold, and so many people buy into it with no qualms whatsoever. Sure, I'll take out a loan, but if it comes to spending $1,000, couple $1,000, even 10 grand, something like that, on a different type of education for a job like this, it's like, I don't know, but I got no problem buying that new curved TV at Costco. That shit's tight. $2,200, woo, no problem. What are you doing? Think about your future. Look at the reality of your situation. If you're not where you want to be right now, something's got to change. And I can tell you this, it ain't going to change by you just going out with a new attitude. You have to have the recipe. If you want that, shit or get off the pot. All right, let me help you. Visit www.roofsalesmastery.com. You can check out the programs there. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Keep it crunchy out there, you guys. I want you to succeed. The reason I get so passionate about this and I'm so blunt about this message is that you and I both know, you see this industry, you know it's a unique opportunity. You know the financial and free opportunity for personal freedom is there, but you have to know how to do it. And I don't know everything, but I know a lot. And I have an extensive history in direct sales in this industry and in other industries. And I've got something that works. Let me help you. Shit or get off the pot. I love you guys. We'll talk soon. Bye.